Global share markets have been in positive territory over the past 24 hours, with better news coming out of the European Union. Several of the most indebted countries were looking to raise government bonds over the past 24 hours, and it does seem like these bond auctions have gone pretty well. Although speculation has been in the media that the European Central Bank has been in the buying in order to make sure that these bond auctions were a success. Despite some good, positive local economic data here in New Zealand, the New Zealand dollar has weakened slightly over the past 24 hours. The flooding in Australia has affected the Australian dollar, and in turn the Kiwi has also fallen. The Kiwi is now trading at 75.80 against the US on Wednesday morning and at 58.50 against the euro. There was some good, positive local economic data released on Tuesday. First off, the cab rank was building consent data, which did increase to a 4-month high. This does indicate that we should see further economic activity in the construction sector this year, which will be positive for New Zealand as it has been weak over the past few years. The second item was the NZIER Business Confidence Survey. This indicated that business owners are feeling more confident about their own outlook than they were just a couple of months ago. This should mean that New Zealand will avoid a technical recession in the fourth quarter of 2010. This also means that for you on the farm, you should see lower interest rates right through till the middle part of 2011. There doesn't seem to be any need for the Reserve Bank of New Zealand to increase the official cash rate anytime soon. Global dairy commodity prices did seem to stabilise through the latter part of 2010. They have also got off to a good start in 2011 with the first global dairy trade auction seeing some pretty good results for most dairy commodity products. It does seem like supply could be impacted for this season. Of course, here in New Zealand we have seen dry conditions through November and December, and this is likely to see production slightly weaker than previously thought through this season. The Northern Hemisphere have also been impacted by very cold conditions in their Northern Hemisphere winter. This could impact on their supply, meaning that demand and supply fundamentals could get slightly out of whack. This should be positive for prices over the coming few months and should also be positive for payout. We do see some upside to the current forecasted milk price for the current season.